Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Canva Education account for free. First off, we're going to start here on Google, and we've searched for Canva Education, and here we have a link, try Canva for Education for free. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring us to this page here where you can see that we can just take a look here at what Canva for Education is. And here at the top, create and personalize lesson plans, infographics, posters, videos, and more. 100% free for teachers and students at eligible schools. So let's just go ahead and take a closer look here and see what they have on this main page. So you can see up at the top, it says teachers get verified. So if you're a teacher and you want to start with Canva for Education, then you're probably going to want to click that. Let's go ahead and do that. And here you can see that we're being prompted to continue with Google, with Microsoft, with Clever, or with email. And so that gives you some idea of what you're going to expect there. Let's just go ahead and go back here for a moment and let's scroll down. And you can see some of the details here. Engage students with innovative learning, teaching tools, templates, and tips. So we have to sign up with your education email address and ID. And you have to wait for approval, and you'll receive a verification notice via email. Then you can invite teachers and students to access your class space. So in order to sign up, you do need to get verified. As I am not a teacher or a student, I am not going to have the ability to do that, but we can go ahead and just go through the steps here just so that you have an idea of what to expect. So just scrolling down, we have some frequently asked questions here at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and click Get Verified. And here we are again. And let's go ahead and try signing in with Google. Okay. K-12 teachers get premium Canva for free. What school do you teach at? So here is where you need to verify that you're an active school teacher and get Canva for Education for free. So it's asking for our name, school name. So here you can search for your school name and put that in there. And also the address and the website. So that's what you're going to have to do in order to get approved. Is you're going to need your name, school address, and school website. And then you can go ahead and click continue. And I am not sure how long it's going to take for approval, but I would expect with these things that it usually takes perhaps a few days, maybe longer. But once you get your approval, then you should be good to go and you can proceed from there. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.